Coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was out of PALS Classic seeing my old buddy Ace, see what he had for sale out there, and it came across this 1968 Chevelle SS 396 convertible I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it. Ace, how are you, brother?
Good, Scotty. How are you doing?
Outstanding, man. A 68 Chevelle SS 396. You can't get any more better than that, can you?
Yeah, it's just cool. I mean, I don't know what else can be cooler. Big block and red and a Chevelle.
Right.
Yeah, that's all you need.
And this one's a little bit unique in the way that it was optioned, too.
Yeah, it is kind of a strangely optioned car. So it's convertible. That's cool. Big block. That's cool. But it's a factory air car, which is kind of weird for a convertible back in the 60s. You know, not too many people would order air conditioning for their convertible because you got a convertible.
Right.
Then it's also a power steering car. So that's kind of, you know, not out of the ordinary, but kind of a little bit different. It is, you know, it's
got power brakes.
Yeah, power brake car. And what else I was going to touch on that is the wire wheel hubcap option. That wasn't just a, hey, that's the normal hubcap. It was one that they actually ordered for this car, was something kind of different. You know, we're doing a little bit of history research. Back in 1968, there was only 2,286 of these Chevelles built back then in 68. So it's not like there's going to be a bunch.
Like this one.
Yeah.
But it's got a bench seat in it too, which, you know, there again, I'm a big fan of the buckets in the console and all, but I still grin when I see one with a bench seat in it.
And not to mention column shift automatic.
Right.
You know, you think of SS 396, you think of you think of bucket seats, and you think of center console, you know, shifters, stuff like that. No, you could order these cars kind of different ways, which keeps making it more and more unique, like you're saying.
Right. Is it a good, solid car?
Oh, yeah. It's a very solid car. A little bit of the history research on it. Original family owned this car up till 2009. 2008, the son of the original owner did a restoration on this car. Now, when we're going to say about restoration, what I am going to touch on, motor, transmission, none of that appears to be pulled out of the car.
That's all numbers matching.
It's all numbers matching, but it also doesn't look like it's ever been pulled out, freshened up, which the video will kind of show that. You can see, I didn't even want to wash down the engine bay because you don't want to take a chance of destroying that, like, pretty much original orange paint. Yeah, on the engine and stuff. And, you know, you don't want to discolor something and make it look not like it should. This car is what they call Cardinal Red Code R. It's got the D96 stripe option, black accented trim.
And which I should mention, because I was like, was that stock on there?
Yeah.
Is that a custom touch? And sure enough, there's a bunch of them out there that have that black accent down there at the bottom.
Yeah, it's just kind of, you know, 68 was a, you know, in between your 67 and 69 and 70 cars, you know, the 68 wasn't as popular as the other ones that you see a lot of. So that's what else, I mean, that you find a solid car in this great a shape. I will say it is a 396, but it is the lower 325 horse motor. But
underneath is just solid.
Yeah,
I got
it's
shots of that. Super nice up underneath.
Yeah, you know, I mean, it's nothing. It shows that it's not been all taken apart, all done. This is pretty much an original car as much as you can kind of get here.
And I think that, as we were talking, I think this is a really good one because it's priced like, if all you want to do, guys, is buy a car, put the key in it, and start, you know, going to cruise-ins and you know, driving around to cruising the coast or whatever, this car's perfect for that.
Yep.
If you're looking for a 68 convertible Chevelle that you want to restore and take back to a 10, again, this car is perfect for that because it's a good, solid car. All the trim's here. Everything's on it. You're not going to have to look for hard-to-find parts. All the parts are here with the car as far as I can tell. And so this car can go either way.
Yep.
Or you could buy it and drive it for a couple years and then break it down and restore it because it's still got plenty of life left in it the way it is. It's a nice car. It's just not, if you saw that El Camino we did a few weeks ago, it's not that level.
Right.
This one's been done a little bit longer than that one has. But no, I think it's a good straight car. Again, you've gone over it and made sure that, to your best of knowledge, we don't have any oil leaks or lifters knocking or anything like that.
No. This is just a good old car that you can enjoy, but it's kind of rare. Yeah. You know, I mean, the options make it a unique car. So finding this kind of package and going all the way back, finding that it's all original stuff, that's what else makes it really cool.
Right on. So everybody's wanting to know how much.
All right, price tag on this one's $110.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, for the options, everything in the Chevelle market right now, it's going to be hard to beat anything that's like this.
Right. And the big plus to this is that you can come and put the key in it and take a test drive in it.
Exactly.
And if people want more information, they want pictures of this, they have questions, all that, Ace is the man for that. What's the best way to reach you, brother?
Best way to reach me is 865-409-5407, or you can email me, Dustin@palsclassics.com. That's PALS classics.com. You can go to our website, palsclassics.com, and look us up on Facebook and Instagram.
And if I'm not mistaken, the number you give out, that's a cell phone, right?
That is.
So you could text.
Yep.
Send messages. 'Cause I know a lot of the younger generations would rather text their questions.
Exactly, yeah.
And again, no, that's what you're here for. Answer questions, try to sell some cars. And no, man, again, I think this one's a good deal for somebody. I think the money's right on it. I think it could go either way. You could keep it and drive it, or you could break it down and restore it. I think it's a good candidate for either one of those.
Exactly.
Ace, again, thanks for giving me some time today,
Scotty,
brother.
thank you very much for coming out.
No, very cool car, brother.
Thank you.
So there you go, a 1968 Chevelle SS 396 from PALS Classics in Knoxville, Tennessee. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.